Hi there, my little cherry bombs. It's Cheryl-PUOPWXYO back with a Boxy charm review. Now, this month there wasn't much to the Boxy charm box. That was a little disappointing, but still some great products. So, before we even start, let's review them. Natasha Denona, let's see, an eyeshadow palette. MSRP $48. Touch and Soul, which is a primer. Can't wait to open that. MSRP $32. Dragon Beauty, which is a color corrector for under the eyes. That's $25. Aurora eyeliner pen. That goes for $11.99. And the Manicadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set, which goes for $18. And it's a very pretty set. But let's start off with what I actually tried in an emergency, and kind of, it was okay, but I guess for those with fairer skin, I guess it would be better. It is the Aurora liquid eyeliner pen. The Aurora liquid eyeliner pen is it's funny because on skin it looks great, but I don't know, on my eyes it didn't seem to like really pop. Like I didn't do my whole lid here, but if you notice, it's kind of, you have to put a few layers, and the other day I really didn't have time for that. That's why I pulled this out of my box, and I thought it would work quickly. So I mean, you know, for those of us with chocolatey skin, you would need to put a few layers. But that's the Aurora liquid pen eyeliner. And let's see, we have the Manicadar, very pretty, and it reminds me somewhat of, which I'm gonna keep them together, my little brow bar kit right here. Very pretty, and it has a slanted and a precise tweezer. And this set called Pluck It, and that's Manicadar right there. Let me block my eyes out. That's her right there. So this is her product. And I didn't have an opportunity to use it because I already did my eyebrows, which I don't have much brow there. But very nice, nicely weighted. I mean, very nicely weighted. Let's see. Let me take the other one out. Very, very pretty set. One white, one pink, so you can get to know them by color. You can tell they're actually very, very nice, heavy ones. The tips are really great. Look at that. Hopefully you can see the tips. The slanted and the precise, and wow, really, really cute. And of course, in this cute packaging. So I mean, even if you wanted to keep it in your, like I have some cases over here I started off with some of my beauty products or hair products. I mean, you could keep it, still keep it in the box to protect it in that really pretty box. And let's see, next on our Boxy charm list, I will take out, let's see, the Dragon Beauty color corrector. This is the card for this month. Candy, tastes like candy. But here it is. And I tend to have dark circles. I know it's because I don't get enough sleep. Sometimes it could really be the mascara or the eyeliner that you use, so you have to be very careful. But this is it right here. Dragon Beauty. So if you have the little dragon dark circles, I guess. But there it is. You know, so you blend it. You obviously only need a touch, and that blends out really nicely. Wow. And actually right here, and I still use my Anastasia Palette. I put some of my foundation in there. Let's just dab that on a little bit. And your foundation goes right over. I would give it a few minutes to dry, which I'm not really taking the time for right now. But that's awesome. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. Okay. Excuse my arms. Yeah. Ooh. It's warm in here. My arms are out. They may be chubby, but they work. So that's Dragon Beauty. Dragon Gunfire Color Corrector in green in Val. So it has the green right there. Of course, which is perfect for hiding dark circles. And now, something that came in a very unassuming package. Anastasia Palette, Natasha Denona. And it tells you everything on the back. Gives you all the details on the back. And I'm not sure if you can really see them. Boy, I can't wait to get my other stand. It has the colors in, let's see if I can do this backwards. Colors in Harlow, I guess it's in Jean Harlow. You have your lash line, satin skin, crease, and glam green. And it's funny because I have a green jacket I just wore today. It's a suede jacket, and I wish I would have put it on today because that would have gone great. But this is beautiful, and this is a very, very heavy eyeshadow palette. And I mean, it's nicely weighted. Oh my goodness. Very heavy. And I think that's so beautiful. So you have your shimmers. You have your mattes. Yeah, I can't wait to use this. And you close it up. And it's funny because I was thinking, sometimes you would like to reuse things when they're good quality. And this is definitely good quality. I can't wait to use them. And actually, maybe I could give you a little... I hate to touch it with my fingers right now, but let's do that, especially with the green that I could have worn today. Very pretty. Ooh, very pretty. And even this over my foundation would have been very pretty. Wow, very pretty. Okay, even on the lips maybe. But I said, you know, sometimes you have leftover lipsticks and you're just trying to get to the bottom, or you get a new lipstick, but you really want to be able to use a brush with it to really finely do your lipstick. You could actually melt it in these little palettes. You know, these little areas once you finish with it. Very pretty. So, and it's unassuming packaging. And that's the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette, $48. So I mean, it's up to you whether you think that's a great price, but it's definitely a pretty color as well. And it's funny because my lighting right now is a little low, which is how I wanted it, but it's showing up. Oh, this is a Korean product right here. Korean skincare. Okay. I've learned to read Korean. I can't translate it, but my daughter taught me. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to do it here on camera. Tea. Pear. Toe. Okay. I have to ask her. She's not going to do it on camera, so I'm not going to bother calling her in here. But, ooh, pretty. Let me close that back up. Hold up. I just realized before, too, I was not showing a lot on camera. Look at that. Icy sherbet. Pretty filter. Korean skin primer. Oh, nice. I never saw a Korean product in this before. Very nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This is another one you could reuse. But sometimes I'll just put things like bobby pins in pretty jars. There you go. It literally, you just kind of put your finger underneath the lip. And that's a primer. Ooh, it smells like roses. Oh my goodness. Smell. Smell. It literally smells like roses. Oh my gosh. I could wear this every day. And I don't even wear makeup like that every day, but I will wear this every day. Wow. Whew. This smells wonderful. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if you had to put, if you even need to put on perfume after this. Silicone free and cooling effect. I'm not gonna put it on my face, just in case, but I will put some on my arm. Let me see, where do I have an empty space? Oh, pretty. I know it has like, you can feel like some beads in it. Ooh, nice. It's slight cooling. Not even liquidy. And it's thick. Look at that. Okay, maybe I'll put it on my face. Where do I have nothing? Let me try my forehead. I have nothing on most of my face though. Literally it's just my eyes and my lips. Oh my goodness. Now my skin is oily. I would love to see how it does with my skin. But I don't know if you can see a difference. Very pretty. It's pretty in looks and it's pretty in scent. And the price, I'm not sure, it's still pretty. $32. I'll tell you what. This primer, considering how little I just put on my forehead, I mean literally a dab on my forehead, for $32 this might not be so bad because I think it would last a long time. So that is it for the Boxy Charm Box. That's why it wasn't really much this month. So it's sweet treats. Sweet treats. But guess what? It's still nice. And it's from Boxy Charm. And this is my monthly gift to myself. And I share with my daughter if I need to. So, cherry bombs. Cherry bombs. Thank you so much for listening. Like, share, subscribe, please. And give me a comment underneath. Even if you're a hubby that wants to buy this for your wife or man for his girlfriend, I think this would always benefit. And even if it's a mom wanted to get something like this for her older daughter, you know, share the case. But I tell you what, it's always a treat to receive my Boxy Charm box, and I'm really not kidding. So cherry bombs, thank you so much. Thank you. Come back again. Please watch the entire video. Thanks. I'm glad you got to the end. You are the entire video. But thank you so much.